Hello, it's me Niran. So welcome back to my channel. So today we are going to create one of Adobe logo. So first step one, we have to select rectangle tool and click over here and set value width for 5 centimeter and height for 10 centimeter and make it okay. And next we have to set the fill color as a black and we can cancel the stock color as it is. Then next things we have to move that right bottom anchor point to left anchor point like this, and we have to set the the copy reflect copy. So I have to make edit copy and edit paste in front and make it reflect over here and move little bit approximate like that. And the next step we have to make one line here to here, so make it that a bigger one, so make it perfect that a little bit more like this. Okay, and set that one of stock color to see that. Okay, perfect. And next we have to make another one more line here, so I have to set the line. So make sure you have to set that snap properly here and make it that way too. Okay, and next step we have to make a copy of this particular one, so I have to move till here. Okay, so whenever you move, just make sure you have to set this at the point here at the proper corner. Okay, and one more copy we have to make here, so I have to set a copy here. So make sure this should be like intersect this points. Okay. And after that we have to let's make it that straight one over here, and I have to make it one more here to here. Then I need to make one more like that middle one, so I have to select that intersection here. And now see, now we got that straight one over here. Then one more finally I have to make that intersection over here, these points. So these points you have to make proper. Okay, and after that we have to select this all shapes except this two shapes here, and we have to cut it. So I have to go shape builder, then trim it this all inside approaches as it is. And we have to set the color over here. Okay, then we have to cut rest of that, so I have to select 1 2 3 and hold on to begin and drag like this, and so now you can see that. Thank you for watching this video. So if you have any doubts or questions, please comment me. Thank you very much.